If you need an extra source of income, build an online side hustle. If you want to build an online side hustle, use ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT AI to build an online side hustle is a legitimate way of making money online. It is accepted everywhere in the world. How do you use ChatGPT to build an online hustle? A profitable hustle, an hustle that feeds you, an hustle that prints money for you, that can pay your bills, pay your rent, and even sponsor your vacation. That is what we are about to discuss. If you are meeting my video for the first time, this is Murtala Muhammad. Most people know me as Alpha Chemistry, the Prince of Closing, a chemistry tutor who became obsessed about making money online, social media marketing, copywriting, and high-ticket closing. Each time you come across my video, make sure you interact with it. The more you interact with my videos, the more the algorithm shows you more of it. So, how do you use ChatGPT to build a profitable online side hustle? First of all, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is an AI, an artificial intelligence machine. Do you get that? It knows a lot about you. It is also like an employee that you can train. With time, it will know you perfectly, know what you want, and how to serve you better. ChatGPT will never blame you for seeking an extra source of income. The same way, no millionaire will mock you for your online side hustle. Only broke people will mock you. How do you get access to ChatGPT? Number one, if you are an Android user, go to Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, download it, install it, create an account for free. If you are an iPhone user, go to App Store, search for what? ChatGPT, download it, install it, create an account for free. If anything goes wrong and you are not able to create an account for free, comment below and we'll be there to guide you. The next thing you want to do is to go straight to ChatGPT and ask a direct question. Hello, ChatGPT. I need an online side hustle. I would like to tell you about myself so you can know the best to recommend for me. Then you start telling ChatGPT about yourself. You may be saying something like, I am a student. I'm on first class. I read a lot. I don't party. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't follow girls around. Okay? This is my best subject. This is my area. These are the things I can do. These are the things I cannot do. These are my areas of strength. These are my areas of weaknesses. Somebody else might be saying, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a nursing mother. These are the time I used to be very busy. So once you are done describing yourself, don't tell lies. So ChatGPT is not like your doctor you lie to, because garbage in, garbage out. Garbage in, garbage out. Okay, and remember I told you, ChatGPT will never blame you. You can tell it anything about yourself. I mean, just anything. Okay, then lastly, you say, can you recommend for me an online side hustle that fits the kind of person I am? Then once you are done, click on what? Enter. Boom. ChatGPT will start giving you results. Please make sure you go through everything to see the one you can do. And remember, it is legal. Okay? If you find this video helpful and you need more of it, please go to the comment section and type ChatGPT hustle. Okay? There are prompts you can use to actually get results faster. Okay? We've packaged this prompt, everything together. Okay? And we put it in a simple PDF that you can get access to. If you want this prompt, go to the comment section and type ChatGPT expert prompts. Okay? Then there's a pinned comment. Click on the link in that comment to get instant access. Okay? Okay.